Friends, when you see someone else talking in English, do you feel like how good they are speaking, from where they have got fluency, how confidently they are speaking, right? Friends, actually when I was a beginner, I always thought in my mind, when I saw someone else talking in English, so I always thought like how confidently and fluently they are speaking. Okay, I am a beginner, I can't speak so good English. But friends, when I got about some tips and tricks and when I followed, so I always started speaking very fluently and confidently, and these tips I am going to share with you in today's video. And if you are the one, like if you are a beginner and you are also willing to speak English very confidently, okay, you want to start your English speaking journey, so you can do. You can also speak English very good English you can speak. If I can speak English, so definitely you can also speak in English, because English is not my own language. Okay, I have also learned this language with very difficulty. Okay friends, and if you also follow some tips and tricks, so definitely you can also speak this language. Friends, first of all, you have to accept one challenge. What is that? For next 3 days, whatever you are speaking, you have to speak in English. Okay, what I mean to say that when Hindi comes to your mouth, okay friends, so stop yourself and remind yourself that you are practicing of your English speaking, and you have to practice of English speaking. Friends, I am going to tell you some method and you have to follow. Okay, if you really want to speak English, if you really want to start your English journey, you want to become a fluent speaker, so you have to follow. If you don't follow, so I don't think that you will be confident in your speaking. But if you follow, so definitely you will feel confidence while speaking in English language. Okay friends, so the first one is that conversation. Okay friends, conversation is one of the most important methods used by everyone. Really, if you follow this method, so definitely you can improve your communication skill. You can start your English speaking journey. What things you have to do? When you meet your friend, so you have to speak in English. If your friend tells you something in Hindi or in other language, any language, so you have to answer in English, and you have to, as well as you have to translate your friend's sentences into English. This thing you have to do, and it's really mind-blowing way to practice of English speaking. Okay friends, and whenever you are at your home, so per day at least you have to select 5 topics, okay, and you have to speak on those 5 topics. But you have to keep in your mind that you have to maintain fluency. Okay, how you can put fluency? In order to create fluency, you have to do some things. Friends, whenever you go outside your home, okay, whenever you are meeting any stranger, so just start talking in English. Okay, like from where you are, what is your name, what do you do, where are you going, okay, what's your hobby. So a lot of questions you can arise to the strangers. Maybe that stranger will say, I'm not interested in English, or I don't know how to speak in English. So you have to tell that time that don't worry, I am practicing of my English speaking. You just continue in your own language and I will continue my own language, in English especially, because I am practicing of my English speaking. So friends, this thing you have to do, because you have to accept the challenge that you have to try your best to speak in English. Okay, because I think from my point of view, the more you indulge yourself into English environment, the more you will feel comfortable and very easily you will speak in English language. Same happens when we talk in our mother tongue. Same happens. How we speak our mother tongue very easily? Because we are always surrounded with our mother tongue. In the same way, if we surround ourselves in English environment more and more, so definitely this language would be easier for you, and we can talk very easily to anyone, right? And friends, in order to gain fluency, what things you have to do? Are you able to think and speak at the same time? If you are able, so you have fluency, and if you are not able, so you have to develop your fluency. How you can develop? Suppose that you want to speak on the topic, so you have to first build up idea, okay? Because if there is no content in your mind, if there is no idea in your mind, so how can you speak? If you have language and if you have no idea, so you are not able to speak even a single word. Okay, whenever you are talking in your mother tongue, you cannot speak. So you must keep idea in your mind. Okay, so first build up content, and in order to build up content, you have to do your like reading practice and listening practice. Okay, and after that you have to practice of speaking. So friends, I think this thing if you do, so definitely you can get fluency and you can speak very easily and very calmly. So friends, you have to practice of your English speaking a lot. Okay, you have to devote yourself to English environment. Okay, make conversation. Okay, make conversation a lot, because if you make a conversation everywhere, so you will feel relaxed and English will come automatically from your mouth. I hope friends this video is going to help you a lot. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep smiling, and bye bye.